All right, we are going to take a look at the shortcut method, also called the traditional method. And this week is going to be with a little bit bigger numbers today. Okay, so yesterday we did 2-digit by 2-digit. Today we're going to do 3-digit by 3-digit. A lot of it works the same way. There's just, you kind of have to fall into the pattern of how this works so that you can handle any size number. Okay, so with the shortcut method, we line them up on top of each other. So 516 times 242. Okay. I'm actually going to try to shrink that down because I did not give myself a whole lot of room to work. All right. Like we talked about yesterday, we start in the ones place on the bottom, and we're going to multiply the 2 by the 6, then the 2 by the 1, then the 2 by the 5. We're going to go right down the line with the 2, then move to the 4 and do it all, then move to the final 2, or the 2 that's in the 100 spots. Okay? So first of all, I'm going to take 2 times 6. Well, 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. All right. Now I'm going to do 2 times 1 right there. 2 times 1 is 2. Add that extra 1 we put over, and it's 3. And now I'm going to do 2 times the 5 down there. Well, 2 times 5 is 10. And we've completed the 2. All right, we did that one. I am going to erase this little 1 up here to keep myself organized as I move forward. Okay? Now, we're going to do the 4 next, which is in the tens place. Remember, because it's in the 10 place, we're going to drop down, and we need to keep that place value. We need to keep it that it's in the tens, so we're going to add a 0 there so that we know we start in the tens. But the same idea, we're going to go times the 6, times the 1, and then times the 5. All right? Well, 4 times 6 is 24. I put the 4 there. Carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Add 2 more is 6. 4 times 5 is 20. I fill that in. Great. I have done the 4 now. Okay. I'm going to erase that 2, help myself stay organized. Now I'm going to do this last 2, which is in the 100 spots. And once again, we're going to multiply by the 6, the 1, and then the 5. We're going to go right down the line. Now, because it's in the 100 spots, here's the parts that's different. We need to drop down one more line, and the 100 spots has 2 place values we have to hold because it is 200. So I got to drop down and put 2 zeros to hold that place value. Then I begin my multiplication. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. And then 2 times 5 is 10. All right, I've got all of this. Now I'm going to add it all together. Start at the ones. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 4 plus 0 is 7. 0 plus 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 0 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 1 plus a bunch of blank spots is simply 1. So I get this final answer of 124,872. All right, there we go. The biggest difference when we add that third number is just to make sure you add those 2 zeros on the next line down. Okay, so good luck. Come back and watch this again if you need to. Watch it more than one time if you're struggling to figure out those different methods or if you forget a part. But you're going to go work on some of those practice problems now. All right, good luck.